Have you ever wondered why time is often compared to gold? This comparison is more than a simple metaphor. It's a reflection of the immense value that time holds. Just as gold is a precious metal, time is a precious resource. Just as gold is finite, time too is limited. And just as gold once spent cannot be regained, time once passed cannot be recaptured. Now consider this: gold can be mined again, but time, once it's gone, is gone forever. This makes time even more precious than gold. It's a non-renewable resource. Every tick of the clock is a moment that will never come again. This realization should not frighten you, but rather, it should inspire you. It should inspire you to value your time, to spend it wisely, and to make every moment count. But how do we do that? How do we harness the power of time? Well, the answer lies in time management. Time management is the art of using your time effectively and efficiently. It's about setting goals, planning ahead, and prioritizing tasks. It's about making conscious choices about how to spend your time, rather than letting it slip away uncontrolled. Think of time management as a skill, much like learning how to play an instrument or mastering a new language. It requires practice, dedication, and discipline. But once you've mastered it, the rewards are immense. Good time management can lead to better productivity, less stress, and greater opportunities for success. And success is not just about achieving your goals. It's about living a fulfilling life. It's about making a difference in the world. It's about leaving a legacy. And all of this begins with how you manage your time. So, let's take a moment to reflect. Are we valuing our time as we should? Are we spending it on things that truly matter? Are we managing it effectively? Remember, time is more precious than gold. It's the currency of life. And just like gold, it's up to us how we choose to spend it. Just as gold can be shaped into a valuable ornament, so can time be shaped into a successful life. Now, let me share the story of a child who learned early on the value of time and studying. Once upon a time, there was a young child full of curiosity and energy, always eager to play and explore. Studying in the child's mind was a chore, a hindrance to the adventures that awaited outside the confines of the classroom. The child's academic performance, as you might expect, was not particularly impressive. The child often struggled with homework, tests, and projects. But what the child lacked in academic prowess, they made up for in their love for play and exploration. However, as the days turned into weeks, and weeks into months, the child began to notice a pattern. Friends who devoted time to studying started to excel. Their knowledge blossomed, and they began to unlock opportunities that seemed out of reach for the child. The child started to understand that time, just like the sand in an hourglass, once slipped away, could not be retrieved. With this newfound understanding, the child made a decision to change, to balance playtime with study time, to turn the pages of textbooks with as much enthusiasm as climbing trees. It wasn't easy. The allure of playtime often threatened to overshadow the commitment to studying. But with discipline and perseverance, the child began to master the art of time management. The child's efforts did not go unnoticed. Teachers began to see a marked improvement in academic performance. Parents noticed a change in the child's attitude toward studying. Friends saw the child's determination and started to follow suit. Years passed, and the child who once struggled with studying now excelled in academia. The child's hard work paid off, paving the way to a prestigious college and eventually, a successful career. The child, now an adult, looked back at the journey with a sense of pride and accomplishment. The child had learned a valuable lesson, a lesson about the importance of time, the value of studying, and the power of discipline. The child learned that time, once lost, could never be regained. That studying was not a chore, but an opportunity to learn, grow, and unlock new opportunities. That discipline and hard work were the keys to success. And so, through discipline and hard work, the child who once struggled became a successful individual. So, what can we learn from this story? Time, my friends, is a mysterious and precious commodity. It's like a blank canvas, waiting for us to paint our dreams and ambitions on it. The key to a successful life lies in how we manage and utilize this canvas. Let's take a moment to appreciate the importance of studying. It's not just about cramming facts into our brains, it's about nurturing our minds. When we study, we're not just learning about the world around us, we're also learning about ourselves. It's through this process that we acquire skills and knowledge that can open doors to remarkable opportunities. But what about distractions? Yes, they're everywhere. They're like pesky flies buzzing around, trying to steal our focus. How do we swat them away? The answer lies in discipline and hard work. When we commit to a task, we must give it our undivided attention. This requires creating an environment that fosters concentration and productivity. Maybe it means turning off your phone, or maybe it requires finding a quiet place to work. Whatever it is, the goal is to create a space where you can focus on the task at hand. And let's not forget about the importance of utilizing our day effectively. Every minute is a chance to learn something new, to improve, to grow. Let's make the most of every moment. Remember, each tick of the clock is a golden opportunity for growth and success. Use your time wisely, for it is the most precious resource we have. Now it's your turn. Imagine the power you hold in your hands, the power of time. Think about the possibilities that can unfurl when you harness this power, using it diligently and wisely. The lessons we've discussed aren't just words, they are stepping stones to a brighter, bolder future. Every tick of the clock is an opportunity, a chance for transformation. Time is the canvas on which you paint the masterpiece of your life. Don't let distractions steal your brush. Instead, use every moment to create a vibrant, meaningful picture. Remember, the path to success isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. Every second of study, each minute of hard work, contributes to the grand scheme of your future. Your dreams aren't just flights of fancy, they can be your reality. So, go forth and turn your time into gold. After all, a successful future is built 1 second at a time.